Do you think the Marcos administration, Marcos Jr. administration, is stepping on the right way, on the right track in dealing with the West Philippine Sea issue, especially holding this arbitrary ruling for the Philippines?
Ray, dapat magpasalamat tayo sa Pangulo dahil nagbigay ang ating Pangulo ng policy direction. Klaro na policy direction. At yung direction na yun is we will not give an inch of our territory. Ang ibig sabihin nun, paninindigan natin ang tama, titindigan natin kung ano ang tama, pagpapaguran natin kung ano ang tama, at wala sa ating teritoryo ang dapat mawala dahil sa kapabayaan natin.
Yes.
And I think it is a policy direction for all of us, all Filipinos. It is a call for action by the President telling the entire nation to put all our efforts to make this happen. And it will not happen overnight. Yung ating pong independence did not happen overnight. It was the result of a process of struggle. Hindi po madali yun. Marami pong nagbigay ng buhay ng mga bayani para ang Pilipinas ay magkaroon ng bandila, makapagdeklara ng independence. At nung nakapagdeklara tayo ng independence, it took a lot of sacrifices, efforts by many Filipinos to protect the flag, to protect the name, to protect the dignity. At tuloy-tuloy po yun. Ito pong arbitration is part of that process of nation building, of nationhood, of building and proving our dignity before the community of nations. And it requires not an effort of one, but an effort of the entire Filipino nation. And if hindi po importante kung pula ka, kung blue ka o yellow ka, you are a Filipino. You have to be able to transcend political boundaries and be united in this single purpose, which is about the existence, dignity of the country called the Philippines.
Yes.
This is the responsibility not just of the President, not just of the Secretary of Defense, not just the Secretary of Foreign Affairs, but every Filipino from the corporate world, in the boardroom, in the kitchen, in the factory, in the church. This is our struggle. And so we have to put all our effort as a nation, as a community, with that single purpose, peacefully, and that we have proven, but very smartly also.
Again, congratulations, Ambassador Henry S. Bensurto Jr. Sa pagkakapanalo po ninyo, because isa po kayo sa architect ng isinampa nating legal case laban sa China sa tribunal court na yan. And of course, maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak ninyo at sa mga mensahe at sa pagpaparating po ninyo ng mga impormasyon na dapat marinig ng ating mga kababayan hinggil po dito. Maraming salamat po, Ambassador Henry S. Bensurto Jr. Mabuhay po kayo. Salamat po.
Salamat din Ray. Mabuhay po kayo, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Happy West Philippine Sea Day. Mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you very much. Mabuhay po tayo.